Hello everybody and welcome to a video tutorial for GSP. We're going to be constructing a unit circle. So what I'm going to do is walk you through some steps here. The first thing I want you to do is go up to Graph and you're going to click Show Grid. Okay, you can see I've got a nice Cartesian plane here. Alright, so there's a point right here. I want you to click that point and drag it to the right, and you can see I'm sort of adjusting my scale factor here. Just adjust that point until you have a scale on the y-axis of 0.2. Okay, so you can see I'm going up by 0.2 every time here. And make sure you can see the 1 at the top. I can also see the 1 at the right. This is sort of where you want to be. What we want to do here is construct a circle, and we want that circle to be centered at the origin. So if we go over this icon on the left side here in the toolbox and click on the origin, and we drag that circle to the right, once I approach that scale factor point, you can see it kind of snaps onto it. That's what I want to do is construct that circle. So you should have a circle that looks like this. I want to deselect everything. I'm just going to label my origin. I'm going to label that point C. Okay, so you can click the A icon here. Just click on that origin point, and it'll automatically give you a label. But like I said, I want to label that C. So if I double click on that A, I'm just going to call it C. That's my origin point. What I'm claiming is that this is a unit circle. So a unit circle has a radius of 1. But if I click on this line icon over here, and I select the origin, and I measure distance from the origin to the circle, and if I go up to the measure menu and click length, okay, you can see that that's the radius of the circle. And I'm claiming that this thing has a radius of 1, but it's telling me that I've got 8.2 centimeters. That's just sort of the way that GSP calculates distances. They actually use real measurements, and they don't really pay attention to the scale. So what I want to do is sort of correct that. I want to show you that this thing does have a radius of 1. In order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the line icon again. I'm going to click the origin, and I'm going to construct a line to that scale factor point. With this segment selected, I'm going to go up to measure, and I'm going to click length. That length is the same as the length of my radius. What I want to do is I'm going to relabel this. Okay, so just right click it, go to the label distance measurement, and I'm going to call this scale factor. Okay, we're going to sort of use this quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to relabel this label as radius. Okay, right now it's telling me that it's 8.2 centimeters, but I know it to be a measurement of 1 unit. I want to sort of show that in GSP using the scale factor. We're going to go up to measure and calculate. You're going to click the radius label, push the division button, and then you're going to click scale factor. Okay, so what I've done here is set up a ratio. This is going to give me an accurate measurement in terms of units for my radius. There's our new label. So this label doesn't really tell me anything. I'm going to right click it and hit high distance measurement. Okay, it's now gone. It's not relevant to us. This label here I'm going to relabel as radius. This is the one that's important for us. Right, you can see that we do in fact have a radius of 1. So that's awesome. We've got this unit circle, and I've just proved to you that it does in fact have a radius of 1.